Why is seating so expensive? Can't you lower the price on FlashBoards?
Hey guys, relax. Seedance Mini just dropped on FlashBoards, cheaper and faster than the original version.
Wow, that's incredible! Any chance you could run a discount on the mini version?
In this video, we'll find out if Seedance Mini is as good as its standard version by running several tests: lip sync, image to video, camera movement, fight scene, physics, and reference video. And of course, this new version is already available on FlashBoards. Try it right now, link in the description. ByteDance just announced a series of new additions to the Seedance family. Seedance Mini arrived as the fastest and most affordable option in the lineup, being 3 times cheaper than its standard version. Seedance 4K was announced on June 23rd and is already available. It renders natively in 3840 by 2160 resolution, meaning no upscaling whatsoever. And the big highlight of the event was Seedance 2.5, which generates 30-second clips in native 4K from a single prompt and accepts up to 50 simultaneous multimodal inputs. The public launch is expected for early July 2026, and of course I'll bring it to you as soon as it drops, but today we'll be testing only Seedance Mini. Let's start with the lip sync test. As I've already shown in other videos here on the channel, Seedance 2 Omni really stands out in this area, but let's see if the mini version does too. For this, I'll use this prompt, which is quite long and complex, with many different scenes to also test consistency. Let's see the result.
We made it! We're actually in Seoul! That is not normal level of spicy. Oh my god. I genuinely don't know how I'm supposed to go home after this. We made it! We're actually in Seoul! That is not a normal level of spicy. Oh my god. I genuinely don't know how I'm supposed to go home after this.
2 great results. Seedance Omni's lip sync is truly incredible, but Seedance Mini is right up there, also being very consistent in each scene. Without a doubt, it's a great option for videos with lip sync. Now let's see how it reacts when using a reference image. I'll use this image, a character sheet with many details such as outfit, accessories, expressions, color palette. It seems like a lot of information for a single image, but this makes all the difference in achieving an even more consistent and precise result. This will be great for analyzing whether both models correctly followed each detail in the final result. In addition to the image, I'll add this prompt. Incredible. I could easily watch an Olympics anime. We had 2 good results, but this time the highlight was Seedance Omni. Besides delivering a video with more complex movements, it correctly followed the main technical details, being much more consistent than the Mini. Let's raise the bar a little. For this, I'll use this prompt to create a video that could easily be sponsored by Red Bull. Okay, 2 results that are really exciting to watch. Seedance Omni generated a more frantic video with a lot of camera movement and only one bizarre moment where this car appears like a ghost. Seedance Mini, on the other hand, generated a lighter video making the bicycle look slower with less camera movement and more strange situations, such as these chickens multiplying and disappearing and this car that suddenly changed its rear end. But taking into account how much is happening and appearing at the same time, both of them did really well. Now let's use this prompt, this time paying close attention not only to the camera movement, but also to the sound of everything that happens at each moment of the video. Wow, big difference. But this time, I'll let you say which one stood out in camera movement and sound design. Leave your opinion down here in the comments. Now, the test that Seedance specializes in, all signs point to us being about to witness an epic showdown. This time, I'll use a very simple prompt without many instructions, just requesting a cinematic fight that is one of Seedance's biggest strong suits. Let's see the result. Okay, I don't think it was a good idea for him to fight so many armed people. As expected, Seedance Omni delivered a great result, with intense and cinematic takes. The mini version also turned out interesting, but much less intense, making everything seem slower. Another thing I noticed while running other fight scene tests is that for the mini, everything around it is an enemy. Even the walls. It literally strikes everything nearby. So if you decide to create a fight scene with the mini, remember to set it in a scene without too many objects. Your character's hand will thank you. Let's move on to the most complex test of this video. I believe you're already tired of seeing this domino test here, but it really does stress any model to its limits, making it an indispensable test. As we've already seen in previous videos, Seedance 2 Omni correctly follows object physics in a very realistic way. But let's see if the mini does too. Okay, it looks like we used a completely different model to generate this video. It seems Seedance Mini doesn't follow the same physics realism as Seedance Omni. But before confirming that, let's test this prompt. An intense tennis match. Let's see what each version will create. Once again, Seedance Omni delivered a great result, making it very easy to follow the ball's movement to see if its physics are correct. As for the mini version, the physics worked much better than in the domino test, but with a lot of ball distortion, making it very difficult to follow its trajectory, and with distortions in the players, creating a fusion of the two at certain moments. Bizarre. Now the last test, reference video. Let's see how it reacts when we use a video and an image as reference. The idea is to copy the movements from this very famous scene from the series Severance, which has many different movements and camera angles. Without a doubt, a very complex test. Since Seedance Omni is a major standout in this area, let's see if the mini version will be too. This time the prompt will be even simpler. Let's see the results. Seedance Omni is truly impressive in terms of consistency. It followed the video and the reference image I attached very well. No distortions or unwanted takes. The mini version, on the other hand, started by creating its own reaction movements and character positioning. It also had a hallucination at the beginning, adding a new elevator door to the scene. Aside from that, the camera movement turned out quite interesting, but it ended up generating one more scene distortion at the end. Now the final verdict. Seedance 2 Omni stood out in every test we ran, but that doesn't cancel out the mini's results. Its goal is not to be better than the original version, but rather to be a cheaper and faster option, making it great for quick tests and simpler videos such as lip sync and takes with real people. For more complex videos that require more quality and fidelity, without a doubt the Omni version is the best option. It's more expensive, but for good reason, it's truly worth the price. Speaking of price, this was the total cost to generate all the videos with each model. So what did you think of this mini version? If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any content. See you in the next video.
Hey, what about that discount? Is it happening?
Hold this for me, please.